Wow, it's too bright. I cannot see movie.
I've got the answer. Zip screen. Watch this.
Wow.
This'll take off the glare, and if it gets windy later, the rain starts, it's no problem. We've converted the outdoor area into an inside sanctuary.
Wow,
Isn't that amazing?
wow, it's amazing. So I can watch movie and relax, no bright.
Good. I'm Brett from Oasis Blinds, and this is our solution to your outdoor area. Make your place in paradise just perfect by controlling the weather. We can even keep the bugs out.